Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shreya Khanijo, consultant radiologist in Star Imaging and Path Lab, Tilak Nagar. Today I've got some set of questions which are frequently asked about CT scan. So I'll be addressing them one by one. So let's begin. So the first question is, when does the CT scan changes the course of treatment? The CT scan changes the course of treatment when it gives crucial information about the diagnosis of the patient, which is not solely made upon the clinical symptom and clinical examination. For example, some sort of intracranial bleed, stroke, renal stones, appendicitis, or whatnot. Hence, it helps the clinician to make the decision so as to how to proceed further. Now, moving on to the next question. What clinical information helps the radiologist to provide a better report? All the necessary clinical information, such as symptoms of the patient, the clinical examination, the lab investigations, are all useful to make a better report, since many of the pathologies have overlapping imaging findings, and sometimes subtle findings only make sense when the patient's clinical information are clinically correlated. So moving on to the third question for today, which is, when the CT report is truly useful for the treating clinician. The CT report is truly useful for the treating clinician when it not only contains the imaging findings, but also it solves a clinical query, contains an interpretation for the imaging findings, and provides an idea to the clinician so as to take the right decision for the patient in the course of treatment. So the fourth question for today is, what does incidental finding mean? Incidental finding is any finding for which the CT scan was not done in the first place. It is unexpectedly seen. Most of the times these are harmless or normal variants, but sometimes these can be early diagnosis of a important finding for which the symptoms have not yet occurred. So the next question for today is, why do some CT scans require contrast and the others do not? It depends upon the clinical indication of the scan. As the name suggests, contrast helps to delineate or differentiate two tissues better. So when we need to see the vascularized organ or vessels better, contrast is needed. While on the other hand, when we need to see some bony injuries or stones, we do not need contrast. So now the last question for today is, why do radiologists compare previous scans? Radiologists do compare previous CT reports so as to help the clinician and the patient to know the course of the disease, whether the disease is progressing, it is regressing, or it is still the same. Hope you find this video informative. Keep watching this space to gather more information about CT scan and other diagnostic services.